Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses. Welcome to anyone that's new to my channel. Thank you so much for coming in. Welcome to the Royal and Regal family. I appreciate you all being here. Make sure that you're subscribed, and please make sure that you hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you'll receive notifications as of when I am uploading videos, as well as when I do my live chats, which are basically on Sundays at 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And sometimes I come in periodically and just do a random live chat. Okay, as you can see from the title, I am talking about my celebration of 16 years of growing my hair, my Natty dreadlocks. And, you know, the journey has been different. If you go back to some of my old videos from the beginning of when I started here, which wasn't the beginning of when I actually started, you'll see the differences, the changes that I've made. You know, I'm water rinse only now. I'm water rinse period now. Products was never like a major thing or anything that I used in my hair. However, you know, I am strictly just water rinsing and just total natural herbal everything as far as what I use, like teas and all that type of stuff. Let's see, what can I say about 16 years on this journey? It's been fabulous. It's been, you know, lots of changes. I started off double strand twist so that my hair would lock, because my hair was processed on the ends. I had color treated hair. I had a licensed cosmetologist, of course. I retired. However, I had platinum blonde hair, and of course, everyone knows that any hair that is super straight or super processed with relaxers, color treated hair, or just bone straight hair will take forever, ever to combine, to mat, to lock, to, you know, become Natty dreadlocks. Also, in the beginning, I did not freeform. I would say a few years later, maybe about 5 years later, I began freeforming. I combined, I banded, I combined, and then I started banding. So I want to show you all some of the things that's going on. Like you can see right here, this is when I had started combining. So that's been a long time ago, because as you can see, it didn't combine all the way down, and I was banding the ones that didn't combine all the way down. And this is, you know, the results of that. And I'm fine with that. I'm cool with that. So just to show you. Also, to show you, because I did do a video where I showed where sometimes every blue moon I will separate my hair so that it doesn't all come together into one just big freeform Natty dread, because that is not what I'm trying to achieve. Not that I have a problem with that either for those that likes that, but as you can see, it had been a while since I even separated. Just going in, and I said pop. Some people say pop, some people say separated, some people say whatever. And some people say, oh, that's not freeform. But I'm not manipulating my hair. I'm not twisting. And this is something that I do. As you can see, this wasn't something that developed in a year or 2 years. This was something that happened possibly over 3 years. And I have one nice big fat Congo that formed, and I have, of course, the ends that hadn't combined. This tried to combine down at the ends, but it wouldn't combine up at the top. And then here's that. And then, of course, I have a huge Congo back here. I have major frizz. For those who are freaking out about frizz, at 1 month, I'm 16 years in, and I have frizz all the time. If I work out, frizz pops up. If I'm in the rain, frizz pops up. What else? Well, it comes and goes. I mean, sometimes if I tie my hair down, you know, when I'm working, or if I put on one of my King J caps or whatever, um, sometimes it'll look like, oh, how's her hair laying down today? And it's not all frizzy and like in an Afro style now. It's because I probably had on my King J cap all day from taking care of my dog, cleaning up the house, working at my studio, or so. A lot of those things, you know, when I have my hair covered, it may flatten it out and it may appear like it's been brushed, or I laid it down purposely, or I used something to make it lay down. That's not the fact. I'm sure when I take this scarf off, it'll look like my hair is laid down, but within an hour or so, my frizz pops back up. I am predominantly gray, and I'm going to show you the length. Let's see if I can get a picture. Hold on. Y'all don't mind all of this. Show you how long. I go back far enough. Okay, and my hair is twisted up at the top, but as you can see, my hair is, some of it is touching my knee, and most of it is definitely well beyond my knees. I mean, well beyond my thighs, I'm sorry. But some is touching, I have a few that are touching my knees. And then I have a few in the front. I have a few in the front that I call like my little bangs because they decided to separate. They are now down here. This little one in the back, it decided to separate from, it decided to separate from some hair that was frizzed out. That I have a lot of little spots in here. I can show you, like this right here. This is going to do its own thing. Hopefully it'll just connect with another Natty dread. This is just to show you, you know, even though I have mature hair, it still changes. It's always constantly changing. I don't want people to get caught up on the length, because it's not about the length of my hair. It's not about the density of my hair. My density is my density. My hair would be dense even if I didn't have freeform Natty dreadlocks. My hair is dense naturally. That means I have a lot of hair per, let's say, diameter, per let's say 1 square inch. I have a lot of hair. So I don't have thin hair. I have very thick hair, very dense hair. So let's not get caught up in, oh, I want my hair thick, I want my hair to be super long, or that's the length that my hair is going to be when you know, I'm at 16 years. It's totally not about that. What it's about is the health. And one thing that I love, love, love about my hair is the fact that it is very healthy. It is on my head. Most of the times when I've had any type of hair that has broken off, it has been on the ends. It's come from me sitting on it. It has come from me literally slamming my hair in the car doors. That's why I wear my hair in caps a lot. Or if I wear a scarf, I'll probably wear like a band or something to protect the area where I am wearing a scarf at. Like this, with it being a scarf that is not a nylon material or a real smooth material, I have like a yoga band underneath this that is protecting it. You can also wear dreadlock tubes to protect it. However, if I'm wearing more of a satiny, silky type, I have no problems with throwing that on. And that's another thing. Be careful in the wintertime if you're wearing wool coats, wool sweaters, stuff like that. Make sure that you're laying like a scarf, a silk scarf or something, a satin scarf around, you know, the collar of your coat. For guys, you could rock that too. I don't see any problems with guys wearing. There's some masculine type scarves and stuff that men can wear around their coats, I'm sure. But anyway, again, I love my flats. Some people don't like flats. Flats actually help me, like when I'm maybe doing like different styles, which I rarely do. When I'm just like wrapping my hair around, I really love the way the flats look when I wrap my hair, like say going around in what do you call it, a bun. The flats I really like. I love my flats. But as you can see, this is a flat and it's still cylindrical down at the bottom. You know, I have no desire whatsoever for my flats to go away. I also know that a lot of my flats have come from the different textures of my hair. A wavier texture will render you more of a flatter uh, Natty dreadlock in different areas. So whereas this is more cylindrical, way more cylindrical. But guess what? Right next to it, because these were not together at first, I have a flat. Down at the bottom, I have some cylindricals, but this is back again. This started off when I was twisting. All of this was like, I mean, well, it's gone now, but the hair that came off was platinum blonde, and that's because I couldn't put a lot of moisture into my hair because I wanted it to mat up and to lock. So it broke off. It came off, and that was fine. If you look on my Facebook page, you'll see different pictures or whatever. So again, I just wanted to share my 16-year dread anniversary with you all and let you know that some of the things that I've done to keep my hair healthy is, of course, I've had plenty of water, nutrients, the stuff that I put into my body. I make sure that I eat healthy, which also helps with my skin. And today I made sure that I had on minimal makeup so that you all could see. Of course, my skin is very clear. I don't have to wear makeup. I choose to because I enjoy it and because I'm an artist. I'm a designer. I was a hairstylist, still licensed cosmetologist, also an artist in many different forms. 20 years in candle making, still a business that's up and running. So I work with the right side of my brain. I'm very creative, so my face is like a palette, and I enjoy doing videos, and that's when I put on my makeup. And since I don't go out a lot, that's the time for me to sit back and act like I'm doing like a real TV show, which for me, this is my TV show. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you for rocking with me for all this time that I've been on YouTube. I don't know quite how long it's been. I seen back to 2012, I want to say, but I want to say that possibly even 2010 I may have started. It's just that I'm not sure if I was talking about Natty dreadlocks then. I probably was talking because it was supposed to be a beauty channel. That's how I started off, doing nails and all that type of stuff. So thank you again for coming here. Make sure you go to the description box. I have merchandise. I have shirts that I personally designed myself, and I have a company that ships it off and everything, and they do the printing and they do the shipping and what have you. Go to the description box, check out my merchandise, check out all of my other social media platforms, because I may post pictures and stuff that you may not see here on this channel because I have no idea how to post a picture here, there, whatever. I do have software now on my other computer. I'm just not there yet. I'm sorry. So many times I have promised to make certain videos and then I didn't have anybody to help me record on my camera, which I'm still getting used to, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So anybody else that's celebrating anything this year, please comment down below. If you like this video, if you're just happy for me, if you just want to say congratulations on 16 years of your journey, feel free to do so. Thumbs up the video. Celebrate with me. Every day is a celebration. Every day that we open our eyes. But I just want to put that out there and say, again, thank you so much. And to all my Sunday people who come in to the live chat, you all have helped me out greatly. And getting away from being like actually camera shy. It's easy to sit back and shoot a video when nobody's like looking at you directly and asking you questions and stuff like that. But for the past year too, I want to say maybe it started this month. For the past year too, I've been doing a live chat on Sundays. There will be more content being added to the channel. As you all have seen, story time has been added. Different stories about myself, things that I've been through, nutrition. I've yet to do a makeup video, but it's coming. Don't see a major demand for it, and I'm not really trying to get off into the whole beauty industry thing on YouTube because it's a hot mess. I love watching them, but it's a hot mess. I just want, those that are natural to know that we can wear makeup too. Just because you have natural hair doesn't mean that you can't wear lipstick, that you can't, wear eyeshadows and stuff and accentuate your natural beauty. So that's all I have. Thank you so much again for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure that you comment and say 16, sweet 16. That's what you say, sweet 16, if you made it to the end. Thank you so much. Blessings.